In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. When you finished, hit OK. Tap on Add Label and name your alarm however you want to. Then choose OK in the pop-up. Now pick days of the week and even exclude some dates by clicking on this plus next to pause alarm, picking your dates and hitting OK. You can always remove them by tapping on remove button right next to them. Now, thanks to those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant Routine, you can disable or enable haptic feedback and also add or remove your alarm from your routine. Then click on bell icon, tap on YouTube Music or Spotify at the top and log in to use music from it. Select Sounds and tap on Add New to pick a song from your device. Or click on any of those sounds to apply a perfect one. To hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. If you want to switch off or on your alarm, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click at the top right corner and make some changes. And to get rid of it, use the Delete button at the bottom left corner. To access more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right one, hit Settings, and manage all of those however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!